In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the page length by modifying the footer in the Wix editor. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or a newcomer to building websites, managing the layout of your web pages plays a crucial role in ensuring that your site looks professional and functions effectively. Let's dive into this simple yet vital task. First, you'll want to locate the footer on your page within the Wix editor. To do this, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of your web page. The footer is an essential element of most websites, often containing key information like contact details, navigation links, or social media icons. As the anchor at the bottom of your web page, it helps ground the overall design, providing a neat endpoint for viewers as they scroll. Once you're at the base of your page, focus on the footer itself. You'll want to click on it. Selecting the footer is the initial step that allows you to make adjustments. You'll see some editing options pop up once it's selected, and this indicates that you're set to make changes. Now that you have your footer selected, it's time to adjust it to refine your page design better. Direct your attention to the Adjust Page Height handle. It may appear as a small icon with an upward pointing arrow located at the top of the footer section. This handle is your tool for customizing how much space your footer occupies on the web page. It's important to ensure that your page length feels balanced. A page that's too long can seem endless and may disengage users, whereas an overly short page might feel cramped. To adjust, click and drag this handle upwards. Doing so will reduce the page length and create a more polished, flowing experience. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on how the changes impact the overall layout and alignment of your page elements. It's always a good idea to periodically preview your site to see how these edits affect the visuals across different screen sizes or devices. Remember, the goal is to make sure your web page looks visually appealing and provides a seamless experience for visitors. Slight changes can make a significant difference in both aesthetics and usability. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your web page's overall design and user experience. Just like that, you've transformed the footer into a well-adjusted component of your site. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.